Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Against the Storm game for free via the Steam launcher on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to store and in search the store search for Against the Storm and then click on the game. Now scroll down and here you can see Play Against the Storm, play for free until 13th July 2026. So click on the play game button. And here you can see Against the Storm and the file size is 6.5 GB. So click on install button. Now go to library and here you can see that Against the Storm game is getting downloaded on my PC. So this is how you can also follow the same steps to download and install Against the Storm via the Steam launcher. So you can play this game until 13th of July for free. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.